So I did a video recently about gadgets that just help with winter, just making motorhoming that little bit better. And this particular video are for the dog owners who are currently dealing with wet and muddy and just general carnage in their motorhome. So there are a few things that I have found over the years that really help with Mac, my spaniel, who loves puddles and mud and all the rest of the stuff, and these just help keep the space a little bit calmer. So this is the first one. This is a Mud Daddy, and frankly it is brilliant. So what you do is you fill this with warmish water before you go on the walk. That's really important, because otherwise you come back from the walk and you've got your disgustingly dirty dog and you're trying to deal with them whilst filling this up. So try and remember to fill it beforehand, not boiling hot water, but lukewarm is absolutely fine. And then you have a little shower attachment, which I've completely forgotten to get out of the locker, but they have a little shower attachment that goes here, and then you pump this bit and that builds up pressure, and then you just use that to wash down your dog. It's also really good for washing off muddy bicycles if you travel with bicycles, muddy walking boots, anything that gets disgusting and dirty you can wash down with this. If you've got an outdoor shower, you do not need one of these, but for most of us who don't, it's really good for making sure that nothing dirty and running around with four legs comes inside the motorhome. So once you have used the Mud Daddy and you've washed off your dog, got rid of all the mud, they're obviously wet because you've just showered them down, one of these doggy bags. Now this particular one is from Cordless, it's brilliant, but there are several other brands that you can get on the market, and you literally just put your dog into them. I've got a spaniel, he's squirming like crazy, but it still is worth the effort of getting them into the bag. And then you zip it up the back. Once they are in the bag, you then give them a couple of minutes, rub them all down, and they come out like a fluff ball. I don't know how it does it, it's magic. And then all of the dirt and sand and everything, which I'm pretty sure I've still got inside here, which is why I'm not opening it up, but all of that gets stuck inside here. And then what you do is you go to the door and then you put it outside so it stays outside of the motorhome. Along the same lines is this thing that I've only recently discovered, and it's brilliant. If your dog is not completely disgusting, but just their little paws need a bit of a clean, you've got one of these. So you fill it with water and then you just put their paw in and it comes out. It's really easy. There's no electronics, there's no anything in there. It's just a scrubbing thing. Funnily enough, they use this sort of technology on the quark expedition, polar expedition trips that I go on. And it's what gave me the idea when I saw it. I was like, oh, that'll work so well. And their little paws just come out. Obviously, the paws are going to be wet, so then you need to dry them, but it stops all getting muddy and it stops your towels getting muddy as well. This thing is a lifesaver. This is a really, let me find an end so I can show you, really thick blanket, and this goes on my bed to stop my pillows getting soggy, because after my dog has come back from a walk and he's wet and disgusting and we've showered him all off, then he has zoomies around the motorhome, which I have found no way of fixing, but then he crashes out normally on the bed, normally sitting on my pillow. So one of these is just amazing. I keep it on my bed throughout the day, and then he passes out and he actually seems to quite like it. My dog's quite sensitive to things, like he didn't like the cooling mats, he wasn't a fan of those at all, and there are some towels that he doesn't like, which is another reason I really like the dog bags. And this he seems to like. He'll always seem to lie on it even when he doesn't have to. So yeah, this I keep on the bed all the time. Now the last thing that I recommend getting if you have got a dog, or indeed if you've got long hair, is one of these 12-volt vacuum cleaners. This is the Dyson Car and Boat. There are other ones, but this is by far the best one I've ever used. It does come with other attachments, but I tend to just use it on this all of the time. You can charge it by both mains power, so 230 volts, but you can also charge it by your cigarette lighter, and I charge it off the EcoFlow using the cigarette lighter quite a lot. And then once it's charged, it will do a good 20-25 minutes of cleaning, which for a motorhome is pretty much most of it. So if you have got a dog who's brought in a load of stones, debris, dirt, whatever, this is such a lifesaver so that it doesn't then get trodden into the carpet and walked all over the place. So I hope those recommendations make life in the winter with your dearly beloved dog just that little bit easier. If you would like to see the other gadgets that I recommended, you can find them in this video here. And if you want to see more videos for motorhoming and van life, then make sure you are following along. I will see you in that video. Take care. Bye.